Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Abomwada Biafra. In this video I'm going to be talking about verb in English and Igbo language. Okay, verb is ngwa in Igbo language. Okay, so if you're joining me for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so verb is ngwa in Igbo language. Okay, a verb is a word used to show or used to express action. In a short, simple sentence, you can say that a verb is a doing word. Okay, it's a doing word. Okay, or you can say simply a verb is an action word. Okay, so whichever way. So, but the most important thing is that verb is the things you do, the actions that you take, the things you do. Okay, that is what is known as a verb. Okay, so like let me give you an example, like jump, cook, give, sweep, and stuff like that. Okay, I will show you shortly. Okay, the sentences on my board. Okay, so we have different forms of verb in Igbo, both in English and Igbo language. Okay, like in infinitive form, which is the simple type of verb. Okay, that goes with to in English language, but in Igbo language it goes with I, E, or E. Okay, in front of the verb stem. Okay. It goes with I, E, or E, okay, directly in front of the verb, okay, in a sentence, okay, in Igbo language, okay, but it goes according to the vowel harmony of the verb, very important, okay, the E or E goes according to the vowel harmony in the verb stem in a sentence, okay, in Igbo language. Okay, so I will teach you about this infinitive, participle, auxiliaries, okay, in another video, so you check out for that, okay, in another video. Okay, so in this video we're gonna be talking about verb, okay, tenses, verb tenses, okay, present tense, past continuous tense, past tense, and future tense. Okay, these four tenses, okay, the present tense, present continuous tense, past tense, and future tense. Okay, so these are the basic, they are the basic, and they are commonly used verb form. Okay, so let's go straight to the board and let's see what is that they are like, what they are like, look like. Okay, present, we have present tense. Okay, present tense, jump, to jump. Okay, remember they go this present, okay, that's what is infinity. Okay, I will teach you that in another video. Okay, so this present goes with to jump, okay, jump. Iwuli in Igbo is to jump is iwuli, okay. In a present continuous, continuous is jumping, that's what you're doing it that time, what you do that time is present continuous. What you're doing That time, you are at present, you are doing it, you are continually doing it. Okay, something like that. Okay, so it's known as a present continuous. Okay, so you're doing it at present. Immediate that time we are talking about this. Okay, so it's jumping. Ngozi or Daniel is jumping. Daniel na awuli. Okay, past, jumped. Wulili. Ngozi wulili. David wulili. David jumped. David wulili. Okay, future will jump. Ga awuli. David will jump. David ga wuli. David will jump. David ga wuli. Okay, to speak, eso. Okay, eso, to speak. Is speaking. David is speaking. David is speaking. David na aso. David is speaking. David na aso. He spoke. That's past. This is present continuous. He's speaking. That's he's doing it right away. Okay? Continue. He's talking. He's speaking. Okay? So past is spoke. Okay? Spoke, sorrow. Spoke, sorrow. David sorrow. Okay? He spoke. Okay, future. David will speak. Ga aso. David ga aso. Igbo. Ga aso. Okay, so to sweep. Iza. Okay, present is za. Iza. Za. Ihe. Sweep. Za. Sweep. Okay, to sweep. Iza. Za ihe, sweep something. Za ihe, to sweep is iza. Okay, present continuous is David is sweeping. David na-aza ụlọ. David is sweeping the house. David na-aza ụlọ. Continuously, he's doing it now. Okay, that is present. He's doing it at present continuous. He's doing. Okay, so ing is for continuous. Okay, so na-aza. Na. Okay, you must put this na. So to show continuous. Okay, past tense. Okay, David swept. He swept yesterday. David zara yesterday. Zara nyaho. He swept yesterday. He ozara nyaho. Ozara nyaho. He swept yesterday. Ozara nyaho. Okay, so future. He will sweep. David will sweep. David ga-aza. Ga-aza shows will. Ga-aza will. Okay? Na-aza means is presently sweeping. Is sweeping. Is presently na-aza. Is presently doing that. But will sweep. Ga-aza. Ga-aza. That's will sweep. Okay? That's the difference between na-aza and ga-aza. Ga will. But this is sweeping immediately is on it. Okay? So let me give you also to give. Inye. Give is nye. Give is nye. Give is nye. Okay? To give is inye. To give is inye. Give, only give is nye. Okay? It's like that. So it's all present. Okay? To is nye. Okay? So present continuous is David is giving. David na enye is doing it now. Okay, he is giving na enye. Okay, past. David gave her. Gave nyere ya. Nyere ya. David nyere. Gave nyere. Nyere. Already gave nyere. Okay? Will give. David will give. David ga enye. Will give ga enye. Okay? So that's the thing. Okay? So jump. Okay? Jump up. Let me I want to remove this toe. Okay? All this toe and e. So you see how it goes. Okay? Jump up. Wulie elu. Jump up. Wulie or wuli. You can remove e. Some you can remove this and say wuli elu. Wulie elu. Okay? He is jumping. Ona ewuli elu. Why we use o? Remember, okay? O instead of o. Now, because of this vowel combination here, okay, is a group. Okay, so o we use o. Okay, instead of o. Ona ewuli elu. Okay, he's jumping up. He's jumping up. One ewuli elu, but I supposed to put up here. He's jumping up. Ona ewuli elu. Okay, she is jumping. She jumped up. Owulili. Okay, that's past tense. Owulili elu. Owulili elu. He will jump up. He will jump up. That's the future. Okay? Oga ewuli. Oga ewuli elu. Oga ewuli elu. Okay? Please speak Igbo. That's the present. Okay? Please speak Igbo. This is the present, okay? Speak, okay? Because so you can make so Igbo, or you say swa Igbo, so Igbo, or you say so Igbo, or swa Igbo, because swa Igbo. John is speaking. John is speaking. That's the present continuous. Okay? John is speaking. John na asu. John na asu Igbo. John is speaking Igbo. John na asu Igbo. Present continuous is doing it now. Okay? John spoke Igbo. Okay? Past tense. Okay? John spoke Igbo. John soro Igbo. John soro Igbo. Okay, that's a past tense. Okay, John will speak Igbo. John ga-asụ Igbo. That's a future. Okay, John will speak. Okay, John will ga-asụ Igbo. Okay, that's a future. Okay, so Frank sweep the house. Frank sweep the house. Frank zaa ụlọ. Frank sweep the house. Frank zaa ụlọ. That's the present. Okay, present continuous. Frank is sweeping. Frank na-aza ụlọ. Frank is sweeping the house. Frank na-aza ụlọ. Frank is sweeping the house. Frank na-aza ụlọ. Okay? This one, Frank sweep the house. Frank zaa ụlọ. Frank sweep the house. Frank zaa ụlọ. Frank is sweeping the house. Frank na-aza ụlọ. Okay? Frank swept the house. That's past tense. Yesterday, Frank swept the house. Frank zara ụlọ. Okay? Frank zara ụlọ. Frank will sweep. That's the future. Frank will sweep the house. Frank ga-aza ụlọ. Ga-aza ụlọ. Okay? He want to give good one. That's the present. Okay? Present. He want to give good one. Okay? Ọ chọrọ inye. Ọ chọrọ inye nke dị mma. Ọ chọrọ inye nke dị mma. Okay? He is giving good one. He is giving good one. He is giving now. He is presently giving continuously. Okay? Ọ na-enye nke dị mma. You see, all here is following this. We are using O here instead of O because of the vowel combination here. Okay? They are a group. Okay? In this verb. Okay? So remember this follows this combination here, vowel harmony. Okay? Ọ na-enye nke dị mma. He is giving good one. He is currently giving good one. Okay? So this past tense. Okay? Past. Okay? What he gave was good one. Past. What he gave was good one. Ihe o nyere dị mma. Ihe o nyere dị mma. Okay? Future. In future, he will give good one. Ọ ga-enye nke dị mma. He will give good one. Ọ ga-enye nke dị mma. Okay? So if you like this video, you thumbs up. Okay? This is about present tense, present continuous tense, past tense, and future tenses. Okay? Okay, about the verb that is ngwa in Igbo language. Okay? Verb is ngwa in Igbo language. Okay? If you like this video, you thumbs up. Okay? Drop any comment or what you want to learn from this, or whatever thing you want to, question you want to ask. Okay, you drop that at the comment section. You're highly welcome. Okay, I will get back to you immediately. Okay, so thank you. Introduce this channel to your friends and family, especially those of them in the school in Biafra land, and those of them that really want to learn Igbo language proper. Okay, not just saying anything, that they want to learn Central Igbo language proper. So God bless you, and see you in the next video. Keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, God bless you. Take care.